Creating charts.
Charts in Excel can tell a story that numbers alone can't. Creating a chart in Excel is like magic. With a few clicks, you can illustrate trends, compare contributions, and highlight key data points. Let's learn more about the process of creating charts in Excel, choosing the right type of chart, and then customizing it to look just how you want it.
Let's create some simple charts in Excel. Let's walk through how to create charts using the students' marks dataset. You want to compare the total marks of all the students in the class. You can use a column chart to visualize the comparison, as column charts provide a clear and immediate visual comparison between items. To create a column chart, first select the data you want to include in your chart. As you want to compare the total marks of all students, you need to select the cells in the name column and the cells in the total column. Therefore, select cells C1 to C16, press Ctrl and then select cells G1 to G16. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Select the Insert Chart arrow. Under Column, select Clustered Column. There! You have a visual comparison of the total marks of all the students. The chart displays the student names on the x-axis and the marks on the y-axis. The chart also has a title at the top and a legend at the bottom. To edit the chart title, right-click the chart. In the chart pane, select Chart Title. In the chart title box, double-click the current chart title and type Total Marks by Student and press Tab. The new title appears at the top of the chart. You can use the options under Font to format the chart title. Next, let's add the axis titles. To add the x-axis title, select Horizontal axis. Scroll down the chart pane. To display the axis title, turn on the toggle next to Axis Title. Select the default title in the Axis Title box. Type Student Name and press Enter. Similarly, you can scroll down the chart pane and add a title to the vertical axis too. When you create this chart, take some time to explore the various formatting options available in the chart pane to make the chart more visually appealing and easy to understand. Close the chart pane. You can move the chart to the desired location in the worksheet. Suppose you are preparing the progress report of the students and you want to include a chart that provides the contribution of each subject to the student's total score. A pie chart, which shows parts of a whole, is perfect for illustrating how much each subject contributes to the student's overall performance. To create a pie chart, you need to select the data to include in the chart. To create a pie chart for Andy, select cells C1 to F2. The selected data includes Andy's name and marks in maths, science, and history, as well as the column headers. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Select the Insert Chart arrow. Under Pie, select Pie. A pie chart displaying Andy's marks in each subject displays in the center of your screen. This chart has a title and the legend at the bottom. Let's add Andy's marks to the chart as data labels. To add data labels to the chart, right-click the chart and select Format. Note that the toggles for chart title and legend have been turned on. Select Series Andy. To display the data labels, turn on the toggle next to Data Labels. Andy's marks now appear in each of the 3 slices in the pie chart. To display the data labels in the center of the slice, Scroll down to view more options in the chart pane. In the label position list, select Center. You now have a pie chart that provides a clear and comprehensive visual representation of Andy's performance across various subjects. You can create a similar chart for the other students too.
You are now familiar with the process of creating charts in Excel. Remember that charts are not just about presenting data. They are a canvas for storytelling, where the right preparation with Excel's tools can turn numbers into narratives that inform and enlighten. Don't feel restricted to the data as it's initially presented in your dataset. You can use Excel's data analysis tools like sorting and filtering to reorganize and distill your data, ensuring your charts are tailored to the story you want to tell. Create charts based on pivot table reports to reveal patterns that may not immediately obvious from the raw data alone. Go ahead to the next activity to practice creating a pivot table and chart on your own while adding the different chart elements to complete it.